Hi, so today we will look at some of our past analysis and see how they have been doing in the past month or two. The first one we will look at as Tata Power, and Tata Power we had recorded this analysis on 16th of May, where the stock was around 209, and we thought that the downtrend is over in Tata Power and a new impulsive wave is starting to the upside. So this was the video which was posted on 16th of May, and the ultimate target in Tata Power was beyond 290. So let us see how the stock fared. So as you can see, this was the trend channel from where we had spotted this breakout, and the breakout really took off, and then came down a little bit. It tried to retest the channel and then continued. It made a high of 226, and it is still in the uptrend, and we think that this is doing pretty well. And you can see that you can count impulsive waves here: 1 2 1 2 1 2, and it's making a series of ones and twos, and it's likely to accelerate further to the upside. So Tata Power is doing well, and it's almost like 20% in the money from our positions, and it's a nice and profitable trade. And then on 25th of May again, we posted a video on Nifty, and there were a lot of analysis on Nifty posted around that time, where we were following very closely, and we were looking for wave 2 to end, to have already ended, and wave 3 up was starting. So let us see what happened. So again, a very amazing and very clear chart, and we were so happy that we had identified this low right in real time and posted it on this channel, and Nifty really broke out and on wave 3 and made a series of ones and twos, and is now going into the third wave of the third wave. So this is a very classical pattern, and this is what actually was made us very confident to hold long positions all through this up move and reap the profits for this. So what now? What are we looking at in Nifty now? So we are looking now at a next ideal target of next immediate target of 19402, and an ideal target of 20,105. So we are staying long in the market. There is no reason to jettison our long positions, and individual stocks are also showing the same pattern as you saw in Tata Power and then the Nifty as well. So, and the increase in momentum here was expected, and that is playing out. So when the wave count actually follows your forecast to the letter, you are more confident that the things are going to pan out as expected. Now this is wave 3 of 3, and looking at immediate target of, or rather ideal target here of 20,105. The 20,105 is our next kind of stop, and we will reassess the wave formation at that time. Till then, stay long in the Nifty. And then we posted another analysis on Ashok Leyland on the 15th of May. And 15th of May, we had identified a breakout from a channel, and we said that this is likely to take off pretty nicely to the upside. So with a target of 209 rupees. So let us see what happened. So you can see this ABC had identified, we had placed a wave 2 label here, and we said that wave 3 to the upside is starting. It did break out of the channel, then tried to come back into the channel and retest it, and then took off like anything. And it is still doing very good, and all our positions in Ashok Leyland have been very profitable. So we continue to maintain our targets, and you can see pretty nice impulsive moves, and we can say that this is 1 2 3 4 and 5, or wave 1 2 and third of third is going on, and we think that let us see how it measures. So this is 1 2 1 2, and third is again 1 2, and now third wave is going up. So this is likely to accelerate even further, and let's switch to a weekly for a nicer perspective. One moment. And you can see weekly 1 and 2, and third wave is just about getting on steam, and once it takes out these previous highs very comfortably, which it will in the next week, we are looking at much, much higher targets. And I think 209 we still maintain is our first and immediate target. That is not the final target. So we will continue to hold long on Ashok Leyland, and it is very profitable, as you can see. So you can see how if you do a proper wave count with a proper analysis, you can identify stocks at pretty nice breakout levels and ride the trend with that confidence that this is a third wave and this third wave is much further to go. And then let us also look at Apollo Hospital. Now this analysis was again posted 1 month ago, and we were looking at targets of 63.22 on Ashok Leyland in this analysis. Let us see what happened. So Ashok Leyland also, Apollo Hospitals also broke out of the channel, retested the channel perfectly, and then took off. And our call options in Apollo Hospitals have been quite profitable, and that is I'm so thankful for that. So what is going on here? Now we feel that this uptrend is still in its very early stages, and this uptrend is likely to continue, and we are continuing to hold our option positions. We are rolling them month on month, and we still stand by our targets of 63.22 in Apollo Hospitals in the weeks to come. It may take a couple of months maybe, but it will be there. That's what we feel. Obviously, we will be trailing our stop losses on a continuous basis and watching how it does. So that is all for today. So this was a nice look back at some of the stocks that we had identified, including the Nifty. And it has been very gratifying period for the last 2 months to have identified the bottom almost and ride the uptrend, and we are continuing to ride the uptrend, even though in very short term there can be a lot of volatility. So again, that's all for today. And after a long time now, we are again taking a few students for mentoring, for Elliott Wave coaching one-on-one. Right now we have openings for just 2 students for a 6-week one-on-one coaching, where we will talk about Elliott waves and identifying trades in real time, combining Elliott wave with some of our own very unique indicators to make Elliott waves even more potent from the point of view of precise entries. So those who are interested, those who have a basic knowledge of some technical analysis can apply for one of these 2 positions for coaching, and it can be very interesting. So those of you who want to do that, phone number is given right below this video, and you can send us a WhatsApp message, or you can write a comment below this video and we will get back to you. So thank you and have a fantastic weekend. Bye bye.